all our wonderful and lovely teachers out there, happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy teacher.
Happy Teachers. Wishing a very
Happy Teachers.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Remember the first time we met? You was at the mall with your friends. I was scared to approach ya, but then you came closer, hoping you would give me a chance. Who would have ever knew that we would ever be more than friends? But railroad white.
तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो। आज हक से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं हो मीठी मीठी सी ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों। हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नु मौज में रहने दे ना दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों। है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इसे झूमने दे अपनी बीत दे। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे या फिक्रा नु छड़ के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे या फिक्रा नु छड़ के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नु नचने दे। बात तेरी छोटी छोटी सोच क्यों है जी, ओहो बाजी। हो उखड़े उखड़े क्यों खड़े जी, हंसता तो हंस देगी दुनिया भी, हाँ जी। ओ आए जो ऑन द फ्लोर कुड़ी तो खूब मचाए शोर, तू भी झूम लेना इसकी बीट दे। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चमके। कुड़ी नु नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू सारे या फिक्रा नु छड़ के बन ठन के। कुड़ी नु नचने नचने दे, नचने दे, आज लगाने दे ठुमके। कुड़ी नु नचने दे।
जूस गिरा था और मैं दोबारा नहाने गई थी। तुम चने कुकर में चढ़ाकर मेरे पास आई थी, तब रसोड़े में कौन था? हाँ कौन था? मैं थी, तुम थी, मैं थी, तुम थी, कौन था? कौन था? कौन था? ये राशि कुकर में से चने निकाल दिए और खाली कुकर गैस पर चढ़ा दिया, चढ़ा दिया, चढ़ा दिया। ये राशि कुकर में से चने निकाल दिए और खाली कुकर गैस पर चढ़ा दिया, चढ़ा दिया,
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। ऐ तब मुझे बता दे, तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर जुबान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई तो क्या। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है, ख्वाब तुम या कोई हकीकत, कौन हो तुम बतलाओ। तेरे से इतना दूर खड़ी हूँ और करीब आ जा, चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। है अपना दिल तो आवारा, न जाने किस पे आएगा। ओ दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो, दिल देख देखो जी, दिल लेने वालों दिल न सीखो जी। तुम सा नहीं देखा, तुम सा नहीं देखा। उड़े जब जब जुल्फे तेरी, उड़े जब जब जुल्फे तेरी, कवारियों का दिल मचले, कवारियों का दिल मचले। जिंद मेरी शाम ढले, खिड़की तले तुम सीटी बजाना छोड़ दो। चला जो भड़के दिल मेरा तड़पे, धक जवानी का सताए बढ़ बढ़ के। सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए, काहे घबराए। ओ ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
It is well said that a teacher is just like a candle who consumes itself to light the way for others. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers out there, and I am especially thankful to all of you for educating us in these difficult times of lockdown and making studies a fun more than a burden. So always grateful to you and always grateful to your everlasting support. In gratitude always. Happy Teachers' Day.
Dear teachers, thank you for always guiding me and bringing out the best of me. I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you for always being on our side. Thank you for everything you did. We are so lucky to have you, and I would like to wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, teachers, for guiding us and being a constant support system whenever we needed you. We all really love you.
Dear teachers, thanks for supporting and enlightening all my life. If only I could have your blessing for a lifetime, I would have succeeded the way I have done always. Have a wonderful Teachers' Day.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor all these beautiful souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. You deserve a big thank you for all those sleepless nights that you spent to prepare our lessons. Thank you very much, ma'am, and a very happy Teachers' Day to you.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers in our school.
You've all been great second mothers and fathers to me. You have all got big hearts of gold from which immense love pours. Your selflessness and warmth is all I see. You inspire each one of us to explore, and with your support to great heights we will soar. You have held my hand through thick and thin, and you have taught me how my every loss is still a win. Hope you realize how much you mean to us this Teachers' Day and how you lighten and brighten our moods every day. Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. Ma'am, I would actually like to thank each one of you for teaching us everything, for cooperating with us, for having fun with us. That actually means a lot. Thank you so much, ma'am.
I would like to thank all the teachers for always being there for us and for always helping us, even in the present situations. Happy Teachers' Day.
You're not our teacher. You're our friend, philosopher, and guide, all molded into one person. We will always be grateful for your support. Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to each and every teacher present over here. I have a special message for Gurdeep ma'am. So Gurdeep ma'am, I love you and I would like to thank you for always being there and helping me out in my most toughest situations and guiding me in the right direction. And thank you ma'am. आपने कभी भी मुझे मेरी मदर की कमी महसूस नहीं होने दी, कि कभी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि हाँ मम्मा नहीं है, ऐसा लगता था कि मम्मा है, स्कूल में भी हैं। आपको देखकर ना मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है। थैंक यू मैम, वी ऑल लव यू।
Dear teachers, thank you for supporting and enlightening all my way. If only I could have your blessing for a lifetime, I would succeed the way I have done always. Have a wonderful teachers.
दबी दबी सी हंसी होठों पे फंसी है, गुदगुदी कर रही हवा, हल्ला मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। करने दे ख्वाबों को बदमाशियां, चलने दे नजरों की मनमानियां, ढूंढे चलो कुछ ठिकाने नए, होने दे पगली पगली सी नादानियां। होश में रहना है क्यों, रहने से होगा क्या, बेहोशियों में है मजा। बचकानी हरकतें जो होती है होने दे, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है।
बदला नजारा यूं यूं यूं, सारा का सारा न्यू न्यू न्यू, मैं हैप्पी वैप्पी क्यों क्यों क्यों, मैं बिजी बिजी हूँ। धीमे धीमे स्लोली स्लोली, I'm learning सीखूं सीखूं नई जुबान। धीमे धीमे स्लोली स्लोली, I'm learning सीखूं सीखूं नई जुबान।
Hi, teachers. Hoping that you remember me. No matter how short my journey was in TMS, I will be forever grateful and thankful for all the kindness you've showered on me. During the most crucial years of my life, all I needed was immense amount of patience and teachings, which I have got from all of you. And I hope you all are safe, doing well, and I really miss you all. Waiting to see you soon. Happy Teachers' Day.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Thank you for all that you've done for us, for all the love, support, and guidance. It'll take me a long, long time to thank each one of you individually, but I totally owe whatever and wherever I am to all of you. Millennium has always been like a family, and one of the best parts about Millennium are the teachers. We have some of the best memories with you, which we'll cherish for the rest of our lives. And thank you for making our school lives memorable and for being the best teachers. Happy Teachers' Day once again.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers out here. I cannot thank you all enough to actually help me grow into the individual I am today. Much more confident, strong, mature, and very outspoken. Today, when I'm actually in college, facing the real world, crossing paths with thousands of different people, interacting with very different kind of professors, the only thing that is helping me survive is the skills and the lessons taught by you all. Definitely, I love all my teachers, but I would like to mention two teachers. One has to be Rachna ma'am for sure. She has been with me the entire time. She has supported me every time I needed her. And today, when anyone compliments me for the personality I have, for the communication skills I have, for the bubbly nature I have, that is only because of Rachna ma'am. And second of all, I would like to thank Purushottam sir for supporting me, helping me in maths a lot, and taking my side whenever I had a fight in the maths class. Thank you.
महफिल में तेरी हम ना रहे जो गम तो नहीं है, गम तो नहीं है, किससे हमारे नजदीकियों के कम तो नहीं है, कम तो नहीं है. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. हम भूल तो नहीं गए मुझे, हम वही वो स्पोर्ट्स वाला बंदा. लव यू ऑल मैम, मिस यू ऑल, एंड कंग्रेचुलेशन कोमल मैम फॉर योर चाइल्ड. आता हूँ मैम मिलने इन सब के बाद पक्का आप सबसे. बाय.
TMS has the best set of teachers, but this video is specifically for those two teachers who never gave up on me. Purushottam sir, thank you for your unending support. Even when I didn't have faith in myself, you kept supporting me, and you are the reason I outdid myself. And Gurdeep ma'am, you actually have my heart. I can never ever thank you enough for whatever you have done for me. Extra assignments, extra classes, extra motivational talks. I can actually never thank you enough. And then, of course, Rita ma'am, Sally ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am. I can actually go on and on, but still, I can't express how grateful I am that I joined TMS and I've been mentored by all of you.
So hello all, hello teachers, how are you? That previous clip was a 1 week old video, like to show how my lockdown is really going. I don't know what's the case for you, like you really have to teach all the students. Like for us, we have an option of sleeping, like the teachers don't know that, but we sleep. But for you, I guess it's kind of very hectic during the lockdown also, like teaching the students. Like obviously you can't sleep while teaching. So I have just one question. What is the motivation? How do you teach the students? Like how are you coping with the lockdown? Please tell me, please. And happy Teachers Day to all of you.
Teachers Day to all my teachers at Millennium Noida. This video message is dedicated to all of you who've taught me from 5th to 12th grade, especially Rita Kaul ma'am for firstly accepting me in the school, then Parimal sir for building my self-confidence through theatre, for seeing that I have talent, To Gurdeep ma'am for being such a nice, supportive class teacher, to Veena ma'am, because she's such a hardcore human being with these values and morals that I look back now and I understand what she's trying to say. Then to Sally ma'am, who is the happiest person I've ever met, and she would try to understand you, she would want to know you, and I've known her ever since I joined Millennium, and I just appreciate the fact that I know her. So to all you teachers, to Nivedita ma'am has always pushed me, knowing that I could do better. To everyone, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the experiences and the memories, and I wish I could go back. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am, or as I like to call you, Happy Teachers Day to my second mother. Thank you so much, ma'am, for, I've said this to you a lot of times, but, thank you so much for being not just a teacher to me, but also a guide, a mentor, and a friend. And, thank you for teaching me more than anything else that I don't have to change myself or have to fit into the frames of in the frames of expectation of somebody else to, be a good person. I am good the way that I am. So, thank you for making me realize that about myself. And I'll just end by saying that, you may find a lot of students like me, but I'm never gonna find a teacher like you. You are my one and only from the starting till the end, and you will always be my favorite teacher. Love you so much.
Hi teachers, Vishakha this side. I don't think a short video is enough for me to express the kind of gratitude I have for each one of you, but I'm really very thankful for having teachers like you in my life, who were my friends, my mentors, my guardian angels throughout the journey that I had in TMS. And I don't want any Teachers Day to go by where I cannot thank you all for the kind of role that you've played in my life. So here I am wishing all of you a very happy Teachers Day, and stay safe, take care.
Hi everyone, happy Teachers Day.
Very happy Teachers Day to all my school teachers. I miss you all a lot, and you all are still a very big source of inspiration in my life. Thank you for everything you've done, and I just love you all. See you very soon.
A very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers at Millennium. I joined the school in 10th standard, and within the very first year the school became like a family to me. No teacher at Millennium is just limited to academic teaching. Every teacher has been like a mentor to me in every aspect. Thank you to Komal ma'am for being like a mother to me. Thank you to Preeti ma'am for being such a great friend to our group. Thank you to Veena ma'am, Gurdeep ma'am, Sally ma'am, Seema ma'am, Ratan ma'am, Parimal sir, and every teacher for being a guide and constantly supporting us throughout the journey of, for me, 4 to 5 years. There's no other place I'd want to be than Millennium. Millennium has been like a personal connect for me, a family and a home, a second home. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day to all my beautiful and wonderful teachers. Rita ma'am, Veena ma'am, Shweta ma'am, Nivedita ma'am, Rachna ma'am, and the list is never ending. Thank you for not just teaching me academics, but inculcating those values in me, which I carry with myself even now. And thank you for making my Millennium journey so beautiful. I am what I am because of you. I am who I am because of you. And I miss you all terribly. I wish I could wish you Happy Teachers Day in person. I thought of it, but anyway, the lockdown situation, it's hard on all of us. Just Happy Teachers Day, and stay safe, stay happy.
Happy Teachers Day to all the lovely teachers. Thank you so much for your love, care and support.
Thank you. ऐसा कुछ towards me, रोज देखा भी जाए कुछ नया, या दुनिया हाथों में रख दे. Thanks a lot, lots a lot, many ways just to say thanks a lot.
अपनी कठोर सी मूरत को दिखलाया है
प्यार भरी फटकार से सहलाया है। जिंदगी की हर राह पर आगे बढ़ना सिखाया है। जिंदगी की हर राह पर आगे बढ़ना सिखाया है। हाँ, मैंने भगवान के रूप में शिक्षक को पाया है।